Honda recalls 108,000 Odyssey minivans for sliding doors that won't stay shut. If a door doesn't securely latch, it could present a big OL safety hazard. That's the thinking. Honda has issued a recall for 107,774 examples of the 2018-2019 Odyssey minivan. This covers The problem stems from the van's power sliding doors. The rear latch remedying the issue is thankfully pretty straightforward. Upon returning usually, Honda will offer to reimburse any owners who already paid to have the issue fixed prior to the recall announcement, but that's not the case this time. Honda notes that follow MSN Auto's own Nanda.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot bar. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the